hopefully you're hitting pause and completing the question. All right, I'm going to start with y equals mx plus b. There's my value of m. I'm going to replace the m with 2/3. I have the point 6, 11. Here is my x. Here is my y. In my equation, I'm going to replace y with 11. And my x gets replaced with 6. And I'm going to solve this for b. To multiply these fractions together, I can multiply my numerators. 2 times 6 is 12. And then 12 divided by 3 would equal 4. Or 3 goes into itself once and into 6 twice. 2 times 2 is 4 over 1, which is just 4. Next step, subtract 4 from both sides. 11 take away 4 is 7 equals b. So my equation will be y equals, the m goes in, the x and y stay, and we have plus 7 plus the y-intercept. Okay, so that's how we get the line when we have a slope and a point. Sometimes we're only given 2 points and no slope. So our first step would be to get the slope using the formula we talked about, which is y2 minus y1 equals x2 minus x1. Or some of you like to use, try that again. Some of you like to use ya minus yb over xa.
Mr. Shattuck, could you call extension 322, please? Mr. Shattuck, call extension 322.
xa minus xb, and we sub in the values. This could be x1 and y1, and x2 and y2. And then we can sub our values in and start to solve for our slope. So I can go 165, my y2, minus 35, my y1, over, and then x2 is 7, minus 3. That's going to end in a 0. 16 take away 3 would be 13, and that's going to be over 4. And 134 goes into 13 3 times with 1 left over. Dang it, that's not going to leave me with a whole number, so I'm going to put it in fraction form, reduced by a factor of 2 here. 130 divided by 2 would be a 65. So my slope, I think, should be a 65 over 2.